Today I will show you how to color grade on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to color grade. Now the next thing is you also need to be sure that you're done with the transitioning and arrangement of the clips. Now once you're done, you're going to go to edit and you're going to come to add adjustment clip. Now, adjustment clip is more like a container that will hold your color grading for each part of the clip, so you can have multiple adjustment clips. Uh, Add another one, and the idea here is if you want to color grade differently, so you can start color grading with this one, and to do that is you're gonna go to the far right of the editing panel where the squares overlap each other and it says show or hide the effects browser. You're gonna click here and you're gonna go to video. On the video you're gonna see color board and you're gonna drag color board to the adjustment clip that you want to color grade. Now once you have it on the adjustment clip that you want to color grade, you're gonna go to the far right and you're gonna see this video inspector icon. It says show the video inspector. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna see the color board effect right under effects, and you're gonna click on this board here, which will allow you to be able to basically color grade your project. And to see the effect of the color grade, you're gonna move the cursor to the adjustments clip. So right on the clip, anytime you grade, it's gonna show the grade that you're doing on the preview, um on the preview screen. And from here you can color grade your raw footages on your clip and it should be good to go. Now that's how to color grade on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.